In this video, I will be talking about SSRIs, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Some examples of SSRIs are drugs like citalopram under brands like Cipramil and Celexa, and fluoxetine under brands like Prozac or Oxytocin. SSRIs interact with the signal transduction pathway of serotonin, and as such, SSRIs are typically used as antidepressant medications. To understand how SSRIs work, we first need to understand what serotonin reuptake is. To do this, we need to look at the signal transduction pathway of serotonin. These are two serotonergic neurons, and here we can see how 5-HT, also known as serotonin, is stored in presynaptic vesicles in the presynaptic terminal. These vesicles transport the serotonin to the presynaptic membrane, where serotonin is released into the synaptic cleft. From here, the serotonin binds to serotonin receptors in the postsynaptic membrane, which can be ligand-gated ion channels or G-coupled protein receptors. Once the serotonin dissociates with the serotonin receptor, it is released back into the synaptic cleft, where reuptake occurs. In reuptake, serotonin is removed from the synaptic cleft, but the serotonin transporter, or SERT, which is a transport protein found in the presynaptic membrane. Let's take a closer look at the SERTs. In reuptake, sodium cations bind to the SERT, then serotonin binds to the SERT, followed by chlorine anions. This causes a conformational change in the SERT, which causes the SERT to face inwards into the presynaptic neuron. Here, the serotonin, sodium cation, and chlorine anion are all released into the cytoplasm of the presynaptic neuron. Some parts of the removed serotonin can be recycled for further use. Serotonin reuptake is typically necessary so that the postsynaptic cell isn't constantly stimulated, which can cause excess firing of action potentials. This is where SSRIs come in. SSRIs bind to SERTs and prevent reuptake from occurring. It is still unclear if this inhibition of the SERT is competitive or non-competitive. It could still differ from SSRI to SSRI, though. Since reuptake is blocked, the serotonin in the synaptic cleft can keep sending happy signals to the postsynaptic neuron. Low serotonin levels are one of the many effects of disorders like depression, and as such, SSRIs are typically prescribed as antidepressants. SSRIs also have a lot less side effects than other antidepressants, which make them a more common prescription. Thanks for watching.